Hello guys, do you want to know how I made this delicious juice? It's not only delicious but it's very healthy. Stay tuned as we walk through this. First off, we'll be using grapefruit. Grapefruit helps to improve your gut health because it has fiber content, which is essential for digestive health, and fiber adds bulk to the stool and helps prevent constipation. The next ingredient is apple. Apples are a good source of pectin, which is a type of soluble fiber, which is good for gut health. The next ingredient that I'll be adding to this recipe is yellow squash. Yellow squash has a mild and neutral pH, and for individuals with sensitive stomachs or acid reflux issues, can choose low acid foods like yellow squash that are gentler to the digestive system. Also, we added turmeric to this recipe, and turmeric has curcumin, which has been investigated for its ability to enhance intestinal barrier function. A healthier intestine is crucial for preventing the entry of harmful substances. So after preparing all the ingredients I'll be using for this recipe, it's now the time to blend them. And take note that this is a very good juice for you, for your gut health. If you want to start this year healthy so that you prepare your body for a healthier you, then why not incorporate this juice into your daily routine. Also take note that the curcumin, which is found in turmeric, is well known for its potential anti-inflammatory effects. Inflammation in the gut can contribute to various digestive issues, and curcumin's anti-inflammatory properties may help alleviate inflammation, hence supporting a healthier gut environment. To further elaborate on this juice, grapefruit, which is part of the ingredients for the juice, is a nutrient diversity fruit, and it contains a variety of vitamins and minerals that are important for overall health, including the digestive health. And these nutrients play various roles in supporting the function of the digestive system and the absorption of nutrients as well. And yellow squash is a high water content vegetable. As you may know, proper hydration is essential for maintaining a healthy digestive system, as it helps keep the digestive tract lubricated and supports the smooth movement of food through the intestines. So why not try the yellow squash juice? After juicing, oh, look at that, very juicy, and let's wait and see the taste. This is very good for your gut system. It has so much vitamins and minerals, which is very good. We're also adding mint leaf for flavor as well. And cheers to good health. Let's try it and see how it tastes. Tastes so juicy, and it has a bitter taste because grapefruit is bitter a little bit. Well, why not try it and let me know how it tastes